experience was incredible. From the beginning of the launch in Dallas to going to Kota, to the dinner and with Herradura and meeting with Emmett Smith, and then the next morning enjoying the day out all the way through West Texas and to the Twisted Sisters. It was an amazing experience.
It was utterly incredible, and it was, yeah, I told Max, worth the price of admission just right there.
This weekend I was really excited. I'm looking forward to the newcomers on the rally and the diversity of cars. This year went above and beyond with some amazing vehicles and amazing people.
What was I looking forward to most this weekend? Probably just finding out what venue and where we were going to go. That's the great part about the Triple Crown rallies. They don't let us know until the morning of. So each meal is kind of a surprise, and also where we're going to stay. So really enjoy that. Also the routes. We don't really know what route we're going to drive. We kind of have an idea as far as the city goes, but that's the joy of it, is just we all find out together as a group.
So our experience here at Kota was great. We got to do a couple laps with our own cars, obviously at speed limit, but then now we're doing hot laps with the Cadillac. Should be a lot of fun, but it's good to be at the paddock and actually get to see what people see whenever they're in F1.
At Kota, I love Kota. Kota's a great track. I've never had a chance to drive on it before, so this was my one and only time to take my car out on Kota. It was utterly incredible. You know, it's the only fixed F1 track in the US. And it was, yeah, I told Max, worth the price of admission just right there. Take me back into your heart. Back into your heart. Take me back into your heart. Back into your heart. Take me back into your heart.
rally is absolutely incredible. If you haven't done it, you've got to do it. It is earth-shattering, amazing, and just absolutely breathtaking. I love it. I would do it 100 times over.
Every Triple Crown rally I've been on so far, it's been great. I've done all 3 of them that they've held, and not only are the restaurants and the routes and the hotels good, but the people are good too. I hate to be cliche, kind of like some Fast and Furious kind of saying, but it feels like family.
Has to be meeting new people, seeing old friends, just experiencing automobiles and luxury cars together and performance cars. I'm a Ferrari guy. I worked for Ferrari for 36 years. I've done a lot of these kind of rallies with Ferrari, and this ParkUpFront rally, to be fair and honest, it rivals Ferrari corporate rally events. It's very impressive. They did a great job.
The biggest thing that I'm looking forward to, honestly, is what I always look forward to in rallies. It's just driving, being on the road, enjoying, the car, and then enjoying your friends and driving with them in different packs. I think that's the best part for me.
The number one thing I was looking forward to most is just camaraderie, being around like-minded people, enthusiasts, people that have an affinity for all things automotive related. And it's cool when you can create an atmosphere that brings all those people together and creates a unique experience for everybody to enjoy together.
We did Twisted Sisters today, and it's always fun going through the turns, and especially when you're behind a beautiful Gullwing SLS. It's been amazing this year. Really enjoyed just where we're staying, and also this incredible view here at the Horseshoe Bay Resort. Man, I couldn't have asked for a better trip.
My experience at the Triple Crown Rally this year was absolutely epic. The way the routes were planned, the cars that participated, the teams, everything was done top notch, and we were excited to be a part of the event.
So if you've never been on a rally, I think the nice thing about the rally is that you get to really learn about your car. Obviously driving and carefully and things like that.
So if you haven't done it, you got to do it. It is definitely on your bucket list if you've got one of these cars. It is exhilarating to every extent. You've got to do it.
I would tell them if they're worried about being a race, it's just about having fun and camaraderie and just coming through Texas and having a good time.
Get your credit card out and pay for it because you got to do it.
I tell them, you're not gonna regret it. There's no reason. It's a hard yes.
Take a chance, enjoy it. It's a great time, great group of people, great experience. If anyone would like to join next year, I would say that we welcome everyone with high performance vehicles and not to fear about damage on the vehicle. It's always just really great opportunity for the dynamics of your car, but also a great time to do a vacation on wheels.